Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, we are going to discuss about new free Shopify theme that is going to be one of the most popular Shopify free theme in the Shopify theme directory. So let's get started. So first of all, we are going to Shopify theme directory section, theme.shopify, Shopify, and here is the themeshopify.com. You can see that in my screen. Then I'm going to click on the browser theme, or I can click on the view all. In here you can select, then select free theme. There are 24 theme, and I have already shared the review of maximum theme from this free theme list, and today we are going to talk about Rise theme. And you can see that its feedback review very high, very positive, 75%. If you compare with other theme, like the one of the most popular theme is Dawn theme, they have only 34% positive review. Horizon have only 35%, but Rise theme have 75. So you can imagine that how popular it's going on. Okay, so I'm going to open the Rise theme. Click on this theme picture, and here is the theme. You can see that looks very professional, and the color quality is very user friendly, and it's developed by Shopify. You can see that they developed this theme, and now we're going to check out this theme. So click on the view demo, but before that we have to check in here. You see they have no any fully negative review. That's mean it's totally useful for any new Shopify based online store or any entrepreneur who want to start their online business with Shopify. So I'm going to click on the view demo. Okay, and here's the demo. You can see they have added slider on the main home page, or in the home section they have added the slider carousel indicator. In general, you will find this featured on Dawn theme and on the Horizon theme. Then here is the product section. Then here image with text. This is very common feature of Dawn theme. And the collection section and banner image section. You can see that there are two banner, and there is a block section, and finally the footer. So I think it's very simple, minimal and professional, neat and clean. But we're going to open a product, then we can understand better way. So click on open this one. Okay, so far I think this is fully for new Shopify store for a specific product or niche. You can see that they keep it minimal and focus on the size, and especially focus on the website color combination, because it looks very appealing and eye-catching color, and anyone feel comfort to visit this website or visit this shop or browse this shop, especially for any age people. Then they feel the comfort to visit your store or browse on your store and buy the product. So you can try it. I'm going to start a new step-by-step video guideline where I will share how to set up this Rise theme, and also how to customize it based on your requirement. And in general, as usual, I create Shopify section, dynamic section that is not available in any Shopify free theme, and you will get such section or featured on paid theme. But I make this section for my audience who subscribe my YouTube channel, or who follow my video, watch my video, or want to learn Shopify and share the ready code snippet. I have a free WhatsApp support group in where you can get instantly support, also ready code snippet. So this is very helpful for any Shopify store owner or any new Shopify learner. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress, or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.